Real estate agents are professionals who help in the real estate process by connecting, brokering, the buyer and seller in a real estate transaction. A number of real estate agents also do rental transactions wherein they make a connection between tenants and landlords. There are a number of agents who will also act in the capacity of property manager and will maintain properties on behalf of the landlords. By bringing together two interested parties in a transaction, the agent will charge a commission or fee for their service. For sales, they traditionally charge a commission to the seller. For renters, i.e., agent-managed rentals, the commission is charged to one or the other party, and in some cases, the commission is split between both parties involved in the transaction. Real estate agents generally calculate their fee as a percentage of the selling price in the case of sales, and of the rent for rentals. People who want to sell their property provide the details of their property to the agent. In some cases, even provide the keys to the property so that the agent can arrange for viewing on a flexible basis. Once they get the listing, the real estate agent will use a variety of methods to advertise the property to the public. The buyer or prospective tenant, upon seeing the advertisement of the property, will get information and gain access to these properties by contacting the listing agent. That's why within the scope of the industry, real estate agents are usually a hub of information. A lot of home buyers, including real estate investors, use the services of real estate agents not just for getting good deals, but also for getting those good deals quickly. Since real estate agents are probably the most familiar with the market situation in their region of operation, it makes sense to approach them in order to get an idea of the going rate for properties in that region. Real estate agents would generally know the prices of various types of properties in the market and would know the value of the market of various locations in their particular region. A seller can probably get a top market price for his or her property by using the advice and services received from a good real estate agent. A good real estate agent will also analyze the needs of a home buyer or tenant and provide suggestions on what kind of home could be available to them within their budget. So a good real estate agent will not just throw a list of available properties to the buyer or tenant and say, "Go to it," but they will actually discuss the needs of their buyers and provide suggestions and solutions. This, in fact, works in the favor of real estate agents in two ways. First, if the real estate agent is able to sell the house, they get their commission. And secondly, if they make the buyer happy as well, they earn a good reputation and hence receive more referral business. However, it is worth noting that real estate agents usually will work on the seller's behalf due to their broker's fiduciary duty to that seller. However, the exception to this would be the broker or agent who is a buyer's broker or agent who will then work on behalf of their fiduciary duty to the buyer.